Hi guys! Check out this helicopter I built here in Melon Playground. This helicopter allows you to maneuver it manually by controlling it using these buttons. The mechanism behind this is just so simple. Later, I will explain it to you how it works. By the way guys, you can download this in the workshop for free. Just search for Helicopter V3 in the workshop, and it will show you. And there we have it. Just hit the download button to, of course, download it. I also added a manual on the description so you won't be confused how to operate it. Also, don't forget to give it a star. So now, let's move on to the mechanism. Make sure the wheel is having contact to the scooter's wheel, so that when the scooter is activated, it will transfer it to the wheel. Add springs. The propeller and rod needs to have a little space between so that it can make the propeller steer in certain angle. Connect the wheel and propeller with the relative rope. Lastly, connect the scooter to the propeller with a wire so that it can power the propeller. And there we have it. Drive the scooter. Reverse button to steer forward and forward button to steer backwards. So that's all guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Give your thoughts to the comment below. By the way guys, this was my first video here on YouTube, so I will appreciate if you support me and make more Melon Playground contents. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.